Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you need, which Chromecast model and whether its remote pairs via Bluetooth or IR. This determines how it behaves. Once done, focus on high-probability spots, sofa seams under furniture and near charging cables, so you don't waste time. Make sure to silence distractions and use a phone flashlight to scan dark gaps. You can also press buttons to listen for soft clicks. These immediate steps narrow the search quickly and set up the next, more targeted actions. You now escalate with tools and a methodical pattern. Open the Google Home app to control Chromecast remotely and confirm the remote isn't needed for basic navigation. This proves whether the device is responsive. Once proven, do a quadrant sweep. Divide the room into 4 zones and clear each thoroughly, checking pockets and underclothing. If Bluetooth is supported, run a device scan. Alternatively, try a universal remote or phone app to trigger a reaction, which can reveal the remote's location. If you finish by either recovering the remote or switching to a workaround. If you locate it, immediately test and replace the batteries, then repair to ensure consistent control. If it's not found, use the Google Home app or a universal remote to complete setup and control the streaming. Make sure to reboot the Chromecast if pairing fails, and then check overlooked salvage spots like vents, trash bins, or under appliances. If problems persist, note the symptom for next troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.